The Photoshop Navigator Panel is used for monitoring your image. You can keep your current tool active and at the same time still zoom in and zoom out of your image. You can see a mini view of the whole canvas, and you can move the view wherever you want. If you don't see the Navigator Panel, what you can do is come up to Window menu and come down here to Navigator and click it, and it should pop up. This is what it looks like here. And I usually keep mine in this top right corner right here. You don't have to keep it there. You can put it wherever you want. But there's not a lot to know about this tool. All you gotta know is this slider. You can zoom out and zoom in. Same with clicking these buttons. It just zooms in and zooms out by a set amount. Say you want 100% zoom, you just type it in there. If you zoom in a lot, let's just zoom in all the way like this. You see this red box here? That's what's showing on your canvas. If you click and drag the box, you can move it to certain parts of the image, wherever you want to work on. You can still do the move, rotate, the hand tool. You can still use all those with the shortcuts. If you hold spacebar, you can do the hand tool. If you hold Alt and scroll in and out on your scroll wheel, you can zoom in and out. It's just the Navigator Panel is just another way of doing all this stuff, right? And then the last thing that you got to know about this panel is right here, the hamburger menu. There's only 3 things. These 2 will just close the panel, and all this does is let you change the view box color. You can change it to one of these presets or custom color. Say we want purple. Click OK, and then you can see the square changes colors, right? That's really all you gotta know. There's not too much more about this panel, guys. If you got any questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.